Reason being, they use 20% of their brain. They call fishing now.
Turn back now, Brandon. Brandon, turn back. Okay, guys, we're out here on the kayak. Brandon, say hi. It's beautiful out here, guys. Woo! Turn back now, Brandon. Brandon, turn back. Oh my gosh, no! Brandon, no!
I'm turning. You can help me.
Okay. Okay.
I'm turning this way. I'm turning over here.
No, we can't. We can never go this far again.
Why not? There's nothing bad
Brandon,
that happened to us.
don't do this to me again. I'm not laughing.
I know. It's funny.
No, we're gonna go straight.
That's what I'm doing. Back around.
No. Circle this boat here.
I can't. There's a hole in the end.
Okay, guys, we're here on the kayak, Brandon and I. Sometimes he makes it very scary because he's going too far.
Why don't?
And it's so windy. I'm surprised that my hat is still on. But this is taking some of the sun off of me. I'm the only one that's working. Oh my goodness, Brandon.
I'm holding the camera.
Cammy! Brandon, slow down! I'm getting tired. It's time to come off now.
No, it's not.
Come on, wash off, buddy. Come on, wash off.
Commercial break, back to regular programming. Alright, so I was saying, well,
Alright, Papi.
you're gonna drive?
Don't worry, we're going to let you drive up to the captain.
Alright, so if you look, it's bouncing. Look, rock the wave, we're riding the wave. You hold on tight, Maji? Never let go. Alright, so where we at? We're in the Ocho Harbor. So the USA have like 52 states, Jamaica have 14 parishes, and we're in the parish of St. Anne, Ocho. That's where we're at exactly. If you look over there, see that big white container right there? That's where we used to store the sugar back in the days. So we produce the sugar, store it in there, and when the ship come, it run on the conveyor belt and then load the ship. But the new law came in that you have to bag up the sugar straight from the factory, so we no longer use it as much. The green containers right beside it, that's where we used to store molasses and honey. So Ocho have two different pairs. We have the cruise ship pair and we also have the Reynolds pair. But being Jamaican, we call it the backside pair. So this blue one right here, that's a cruise ship pair. But if we have more than one cruise ship, one to be over here and then one to be at the Reynolds pair. If you guys look to the end of the Reynolds pier, you see that white stuff right there, that's limestone malt. And that's one of the main ingredients of toothpaste. So basically I put dirt for your teeth, make you white and clean. If you look up in the mountains up at the top right there, that's called Mystic Mountain. That's where you do bobsled, zip line. You know, for the people who like the heights, that's the place to go. The green thing you're looking at that's covered the mountain, yeah, in Jamaica we call that bush. Overseas you call it forest. But in Jamaica we call it the bush. We're going to the bushes. Those white buildings you see over there, on your left hand side, it's called Columbus Heights, and at your right, it's called Sky Castle. If you guys watch the movie Frozen, the design is actually, the houses on the side of the hill, they actually model off that. So when the director came here on site, he took inspiration from it. If you know James Bond movie Dr. No, 007 Dr. No, when he jumped off the building and the building blew up behind him and jumped in the water, it was also right over there as well.
Oh.
Yeah. So over there behind us where we're talking about football, yeah, that's the public beach. That's the Ocho Bay Beach. That's back in the days used to call the Turkey Beach because that's where the turkey used to come and lay their eggs. But since so many tourists and so many hotels and Airbnb came up, they actually relocated to White River. So certain time of the year, the White River Beach, it's a sanctuary. So that's where wildlife are protected. These green things right here, they're called light buoys. So at night they light up. The first one means no exit. Because if you look right there, it's those brown spots right there. Yeah, that's the barrier reef. So that break the wave and keep the bigger fishes out like sharks and those stuff. So in here it's called a harbor. So if you're leaving the harbor, the second one, medium to small vessels. If you're leaving. The last one all the way down there, it's called the farewell buoy. So these two, the first two is called light buoy, and then that one is called the farewell buoy. So when the cruise ship is coming, you have to go all the way around that one and then come to dock at any one of these ports. But small to medium vessel can leave at the second one. Can exit at the second one. The first one, no exit. Yeah, if you look down, you start to see pieces of the coral. This is called dry snorkeling. So you get the video without getting wet. So the most common coral you will see, it's called the finger coral. That's the one just lying all over the place. But you do have the kidney coral, you have the mushroom coral, you have the brain coral, you also have the fire coral. The thing about the fire coral is, if you touch it with your hand, it won't burn you, but if you rub on your skin, it will burn you. That one is a kidney right there. So it's shaped as a kidney. Yeah, so normally anything that look like, that's what they name it after. So you're looking like a kidney, it's called kidney coral. And if you look like a brain, it's called brain coral. And if you look like a mushroom, it's called a mushroom coral. Yeah, if you look in between the reef, you will see the fishes cleaning the reef. So the reef provide protection. Yeah, the reef provide protection, and then the fishes clean the reef. So it's a win-win situation. You don't see the fish? So the most common fish you will see is called the parrotfish. Yeah, so the parrotfish is very important to the coral reef. So you see, yeah, so you take off the algae and sometimes it take piece of the coral and then filter it out as yeah. So sometimes it bite off piece of the coral and then filter it out as sand. So the next time you're on the beach and saying this sand feel comfortable,
Right there?
yeah, well, it's coral. It's all coral. So even the rock looking thing, they're alive. So each year they grow like 3 inches.
Yes?
Yeah. That's why you got some part of high, some part low. Yeah, they grow.
They grow?
Yeah, and plus the bacteria of your hand kill the coral reef. So we don't allow people to really touch it like that.
And anyone swim with the dolphin already? Who swim with the dolphin? Alright. You know that they're very smart and intelligent. Reason being, they use 20% of their brain. Did you know that?
They use what?
20% of their brain.
So how much we use?
Use all of it. Alright, but right now during the day, only 10% active, and the reason being why 10 active right now, dolphin don't sleep. Alright, so remember, they are mammals like us human, so they have to come above water surface to get oxygen. Alright, so 10% active during the day, the next 10 active during the night. Alright? Yeah man, that cage thing don't really stop the dolphin from get out. Only stop things from get inside. They can jump 16 feet out of that water. Alright? One knock from their tail can kill a shark. That's how powerful their tail is. and they swim up to 25 miles per hour. Alright? They even have independent muscle in their eyes, which they look up and down at the same time, back and forward. Alright? Yeah, man. See that little building? That's the public dolphin cove. So I used to work there. So that's why I have this knowledge, so I can pass it on and tell you guys about them. Alright, so whenever a dolphin die, they take them to the lab, do research, then they school us. So whenever we have a program with the guests, we can explain, tell them about the dolphin, what the dolphin capable of, and what they expect the dolphin to do. Alright?
Sir, yes, sir.
And let me just remove this for you. Turn it to your right. Right?
Nice and smooth.
Turn it, boss. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Look on them. Wave to them. Say, I'm the captain. Say, oh, hold it right there. Say, I'm the captain. Give him a round of applause, everyone. All right. All this. This man look like this.
That's a real captain.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Wave to them. On. That's a backside building that they used to do backside, but they have to remove it because you see that conveyor belt that goes straight up in the hills?
Yes.
It can have a little shaking, so it's safety come first. So they remove it and bring it down to Discovery Bay. So when you're coming from the airport and your right hand side where you see all those red dirt, it's right down there doing all the backside now. But they do like sugar, molasses and stuff like there and the limestone. Alright?
They do it here?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Margaritaville now, it's for a person that go there sober and leave drunk.
Oh, they're so wild.
Leave drunk. Yeah, that Margaritaville.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you drink and you party and have fun. Alright, and across from it you have the local fishing now. So where you see those red, gold and green color, that's the Jangali Seafood Giant and Bar. Alright? Upstairs you have the Whaler Seafood. Across from the Whalers you have lobster there. Alright? Yeah, man. So we're going to go a little bit closer to them so you can see those King Fiber boat. So those little boats, those are the boats that they use to go there to get the fish to come back at the beach early in the morning to sell local person that come at the beach to get their fresh fish. Alright? Yeah, man.
Nice fish right from the water.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys, look on this water. Alright, so everyone, look on the surface of the water. See all the shining?
Yes.
It's all fresh water. So remember, fresh water is much more lighter than salt water, so it's always going to be 5 to 6 inches above the salt water. So you guys call it brackish water when the salt and the fresh water mixed together.
Right.
So remember, Ocho Rios, 8 rivers. So we have probably not 8 big rivers, but we have like 4 main rivers coming down to the Caribbean Sea, alright? So normally we come around here to see if we can find Alexia, Siri or Margaret. Those are my spotted eagle ray. Alright? So whenever these guys scale the fish, get the belly of the fish, they throw it in the water, these spotted rays smell it and they come for it. Alright? Alright, so these are the King Fiber boat right there.
Those are lobster pot, fish pot?
Yeah, fish pot, Yeah, man. This water, and everyone, I want you to feel the water. Put your hand out there, feel the blessing, man. Put your hand out there and feel the blessing. Feel the blessing. You have the spring water that come in like 17, 20 miles up in the hills.
Feels light.
Alright? Yeah, man.
It's light. It's almost like a river.
Yeah.
Very light.
Alright, so a bridge over there, that's a river coming over that side, and we have the spring water right there. Yeah, man.
That's why I feel like the regular salt water. So
Right.
with it.
Right.
Yeah. You come here early in the morning when the sun rising and in this water.
So when you come here in the morning, you lose 10 years.
Feel good, man. I swim from up there to down here like 4 times down, 4 times up. No, not every morning. Like on my day off,
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to bring you back to your resort. That good, everyone?
Yes. Yeah.
Good?
Good.
What about you, captain? You good, captain? You good? Alright. You good? Yeah. You say you want speed. Boss lady.
Step.
Boss lady. You want speed? Now I'll give you some speed. One on this side, one out there and one duck out there, and they shuttle person, Yeah. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right now we're above 150 to 200 feet of water right here.
See, really.
Yeah.
Probably with the viewers here too. Just walking between the heights.
Right. So up there now, up there they call up there the Sean Paul Garden, alright? So you have celebrities live up there like Sean Paul, Usain Bolt, Barbara Streisand, Grace Jones, Mick Jagger. Remember now, they don't have to know me now, but I have to know where they live. Alright? Yeah man. You have houses up there man, more than one house. Just not here but over in Jamaica. So if they come and they feel to stay in Ocho, they can stay